Today we're going to discuss mean and do two examples. The mean, also called arithmetic average or the measure of central tendency of a set of data, is the sum of all the observations divided by the number of observations. We can write it using the formula sum of data divided by number of values. Example 1. Calculate the mean of the following set of data: 0.9, 0.3, 0.4, 1.6, 0.7, and 1.5. So first we add all the data. We'll get 5.4, and we divide by the number of data, which is 6. 5.4 divided by 6 is 0.9. So the mean is 0.9. The mean can also be found by the sum of data by frequency divided by the sum of frequencies. Example 2. The number of goals scored by a football team over a 40-game period is given by the table below. So to find the sum of the frequency by the data is 0 by 3 plus 1 by 7 plus 2 by 6 plus 3 by 5 plus 4 by 12 plus 5 by 7 plus 6 by 0. So you get 117 divided by the sum of the frequency, which is 40. So 117 divided by 40 is 2.925. Example 3. The frequency table below shows the height of 25 children. So in this table, it shows group data. To calculate the mean, you need to find the mid-interval of each class data. So the interval of 140 to 144 is 142. You add both and divide by 2. So it will be 140 plus 144 divided by 2. You do that for each interval. Now you calculate the frequency multiplied by the mid-interval. You get 3,850 divided by the sum of the frequency. The sum of the frequency will give you 25. So the mean is 3,850 divided by 25, and you get 154.